Hi guys, welcome back to another guide. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Deathgarden's Blood Harvest. So this game actually got removed off of Steam back at the end of 2019. They did a full shutdown. All of the servers went offline and everything. Recently, there's been a group who's made Deathgarden's Blood Harvest Rebirth, which is a community-driven installation or community-driven server thing, which is really nice. There are a few issues with it that are just straight up unfixable because they don't have access to even be able to do this stuff. But other than that, it's a pretty feature-rich recreation of the server backend with its own launch and everything. So today I'll be showing you how to install both the game itself, if you don't have it already in your library, and the actual launcher to use the new servers. So first things first, I already have this in my library, so if you have it already, you can just click the install button and send it wherever you want to install it to. Otherwise, we have to go. Otherwise, you can just go to your web browser and type in steam://run/555440, and that will basically instantly tell the Steam client, hey, you want to install this game. And even if you don't have it, since this was classified as a free game, it should allow you to still download it. So I'm going to select my M.2, and obviously it'll just install really easy like. So be right back as this installs. Alright, now that we have the game downloaded, we need to head over to Deathgarden Rebirth's website, which this website will be linked in the description as always, or you can go to it directly, which that's playdeathgarden.live. And then from there, this page, their landing page, tells you all about the project, how to actually play the game. If you go to the how to play page with the official video tutorials from Behavior Entertainment, list of all the known issues, the license agreement, whatever, credits for all the people who are a part of this, which thanks to all of you. So yeah, we're going to head over to the download button. So this is their custom launcher, which helps keep the game running. Helps run the matchmaking now that the official servers are down. So all you gotta do, click download for Windows. Obviously, if you're on Windows. If you're not on Windows, there's a Linux guide, but I won't be going over that in this video. I'll probably do a Steam Deck tutorial later. That's probably around the same. So now, when you load the installer, so my recommendation is you move the installer to your desktop, because this launcher will always be needed. Whenever you want to play this with the community multiplayer, you're going to need to launch through this. So when you launch it, it's going to ask you to run as administrator. I'd say yes. It's going to say that we need a specific version of .NET runtime. So we can download it right now, and it will open to Microsoft's website and automatically download for us. We just have to run the file. And if you want to verify, the file's name is Windows Desktop runtime 9.0.11 Win-X64. And you just run it. And then yes, yes. And now here in a few seconds, it'll be done. And there we go, just like that. That's installed. So now we can go to the launcher, which, as I said, I've moved to my desktop. We just run this again. Okay, so now that we've ran the the launcher, it should already have located our game, which is located in the E drive, as you can see right here. And it should just get that directly from Steam. So now we need to patch the game to get our actual thing working. So we just click the patch button here, and it's going to download some of the custom files that help get it working correctly. And now with that, we're ready to play. You can enable the anti-propaganda mod, so that mod basically just makes it where in the lobby screen, there's like a PA system that plays a lot of propaganda for the government of the in-game. But it gets pretty annoying. So if you want to disable it, you can. I'm going to disable it just because. And obviously, because I clicked the disable, it now wants us to update it. And now, from there, we can just click play. And it'll verify everything really quick. And then, obviously, it's going to ask us if we want to allow network access. Yes, yes we do. And now we're just going to go through the menu here like this. Okay, skip everything. And now you can select which class you want to play in, obviously. I'm going to pick Survivor. And then it's as easy as that. Your game is up and running. The only thing that you may need to do is mess around with your settings, because by default it goes to the lowest settings possible. But other than that, the game is fully playable. All you have to do now is come up to matchmaking, search for game, and you're ready. I hope this tutorial helped you guys, and I hope to see you in the game. I'd love to fight against you people, and hopefully survive. Alright, see you guys.